Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by diagnosing the root cause of the app not installed message. Check device storage and confirm at least 500 MB free on internal storage. Clear cache of the package installer and attempt installation again. Verify the APK file is not corrupted and matches your device architecture, like ARMY v7A or ARM64v8A. Enable unknown sources only if you are installing an APK from outside the Play Store. Note the Android version and manufacturer customizations that can block installs. Reboot the device after changes before retrying installation. Resolve permission and app conflict issues to allow installation to proceed. Uninstall any older app version before installing a new unsigned APK to avoid signature conflicts. Clear Play Store and package installer data to reset the installation state on the phone. Check app permissions for storage and unknown sources if prompted during install. Disable Google Play Protect temporarily if it repeatedly blocks a trusted APK installation. Use a file manager to install from internal storage, not external SD card. Reboot after making these changes and re-attempt the installation. Use advanced troubleshooting only if basic steps did not fix the problem. Check the APK signature and match it to previously installed app signatures to rule out signature mismatch. Use ADB install from a computer to see detailed error codes and bypass some installer limitations. Inspect logcat output to identify install failed insufficient storage or install parse failed errors. Consider reinstalling the firmware or switching to the stock ROM for persistent vendor-related blocks. Backup user data and perform a factory reset as a last resort after confirming back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.